Welcome to your Shorthand dashboard. This is where you find your stories, collections, and projects. If you are the owner of this workspace, you can toggle on the leader view so you can see all the stories that have been created by your team, even if you don't own these stories. You will see your initials in the top right-hand corner or your avatar if you have uploaded a picture. Clicking on your profile will bring up information about your workspace. You can look at your profile to change your email or password, look at your workspace settings for details about your subscription, manage members, explore which publishing options are available to you or which ones are set up in your account already, and if you are a part of multiple Shorthand workspaces, you can also switch workspaces here. Across the top of your story cards, you will find options to filter your stories. You can filter by type, tag, owner, status, or sort your stories. Below the filters is your story card menu. Hover over the story card and these three dots bring up your menu. From here you can jump in and edit your story, preview your story so you can see what your story will look like when it's published, promote your story with an image, update the story's collaborators. For example, if you'd like to add my colleague X to this particular story, search for their name and add them like this. Adding someone will mean they can see the story, but if you have a team member who wants to edit, you can give them editing permissions here too. It's also easy to remove people from the story. You can also add and remove tags. It's simple to copy or delete your stories. Deleted stories will live in the little trash can beneath your team name for up to 90 days. So if you accidentally delete a story, no worries. You can bring it back by clicking on the trash can, then clicking Restore.